Hello there, it's the 11th of December, and so it is time to open our 11th door on our Advent calendar. So, where is door number 11? Can anyone spot it? I can't seem to. Oh, there it is. It's very small, but there it is. Let's see what's behind it. So there we go. We've got some shepherds behind this door. And it is Luke chapter 2 verse 8, and it says, "There were shepherds in the same country keeping watch by night over their flock." So there we go. We've had Jesus being born in a manger, and now nearby are some shepherds watching over their sheep. I wonder what's going to happen. We all know the story, but what is going to happen? We'll find out behind door number 12 tomorrow.